Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Data Communications and Networks. In today's class, we are going to learn about a new protocol called as SMTP. Okay, so this is somewhat related to an electronic mail in the internet. So first we need to know what is an SMTP. So SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay, so it was first proposed in the year 1982. So it is a standard and a traditional protocol used for sending emails efficiently and that are reliable over the internet. Okay, so in the previous sessions we have already seen the reliable data transfer, like if at all there is any kind of loss, okay, the data can be sent again. So this is one of the major protocol which is famously used for the email to send in the efficient way. Okay, so coming to the key points of this particular simple mail transfer protocol. So this particular can be giving services to, like, SMTP is an application level protocol, SMTP is an connection oriented protocol, and also SMTP is an text based protocol. Okay, so it will be giving services to application, connection related, as well as text with respect to the email, which is very much efficiently done. See. So what this particular SMTP does means it handles the exchange of messages between the email services over the TCP as well as the IP network. So apart from transferring emails, it also provides notification regarding the incoming mails. Suppose you take a Gmail, okay, whenever you get a mail, you will be getting a notification, right? So this particular protocol also helps in getting or giving an incoming mail alerts. So when you send an email kind or a mail kind of thing using some sort of Gmail or some mail kind of service, okay, so your email client sends it to your email server. So whatever the server is linked to that particular notification, email notification application or the email application, first the email will be sent to that particular server, which is further contacts the receipt mail, whatever the mail ID you enter into that particular to whomever you want to send. Once the message first received to the server, then it will be further proceeded to the receipt mail using this particular SMTP client. Okay, so what happens right now, as soon as you send a message, first the message will be sent to a server of that particular mail and it will be stored there. From there, to whomever we want to send that particular mail, okay, or that particular message, that will be sent using this particular protocol client. Okay, SMTP protocol client, where SMTP is nothing but simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP command specifies the sender as well as receiver's mail ID along with the message to send. Next. So the exchange of commands in order to send the message or receive the message, okay, so the between the servers which are handling this particular mail is carried out without the intervention of any user. Okay, everything will be looked after with this particular SMTP client. So in case if at all the message cannot be delivered, the error report is also sent to the sender, which makes a SMTP a reliable protocol. Sometimes you mostly see, right, if at all you enter a wrong email ID and you try to send the message, and after some particular point of time, you will be getting an acknowledgement like the email address is wrong or somewhat like that, you will be getting a message, right? So that also will be looking after this particular SMTP protocol. Now coming to the commands. So these are the basic commands which are followed in the SMTP protocol, like hello, hello, okay, so mail from, receipt to, okay, or received to, okay, so or the size of that particular file we are attaching to the mail, okay, and whatever the significance, what type of data we are referring, body of the text, or quitting that particular mail, and also verifying everything. These are the commands which you don't see exactly on the mail or in the mail application area, but this is what's happening in the background. Okay, so everything will be in a particular pattern. Okay, these are some of the commands.